Okay, so hello YouTube, my name is Vlad, Firelight.com, and this will be another disassembly. This is Toshiba L300, and I will be cleaning it. So, first of all, let's remove the battery. There are 3 screws in here, so I'll be removing those. This one is actually quite easy to disassemble. Okay, let's see. 1 screw here. I think that all of those are actually the same length, so this should not be a problem. Okay, and this is the one that actually does not fall apart, because plastic on new Toshiba laptops after a year, maybe 2 years, falls apart. This is actually quite sturdy laptop and great build, so I would actually say this is a good laptop, and it is rather easy to disassemble and, well, reassemble as well. Okay. Okay, this is where the hard drive goes, which is an SSD, which is awesome. This is where memory goes. This is a CD drive. This thing does need to be removed. Again, the length is the same. You press here. Okay, and you pull your drive out. Now I actually believe that I removed all of the screws. Yep. Now what you need to do is to open the laptop and to remove this part. Now let's see whether I can remove it just by pulling with my fingernails, but I think no. So this is, as I said, quite easy. There are 2 screws that hold the keyboard. Okay. Again, reassembling is easy as well. You need to pull this thing up and remove the keyboard, disconnect everything there is on the main board. My head is so shiny. Okay, there you go. Of course, disconnect the VGA. I do not actually believe that I needed to remove this, but we'll see. Okay, next thing, there are a couple of screws. Here is one. I'll be placing this thing on the other side. This is the top part. Here is a second. And a third one. And 4th and 5th as well. 4th and 5th. Okay. And this should actually be it, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Okay. And there you have it. Oh, this is a bit broken. Oh well. Okay. Well, actually it is a high quality plastic. This is a rather old laptop. This is a power supply. You need to disconnect it. Remember where you put your black and your white wire. Also remove this thing. And disconnect this thing. This is a power button. I think this is microphone, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Pull these 2 up. There isn't. You'll figure. There is 1 screw here. There is a little arrow. I don't know whether you can see it or not. Okay. And also need to disconnect this thing. And as you can see, there is a little arrow here as well. And this should be pretty much it, I think. Let's see. Okay, pull this thing a bit. Okay, is there something underneath? No, there is not. Okay, yes, I need to remove this thing as well. And there you have it. You have successfully... Oh, this is modem. Who uses this? You have successfully removed the motherboard. And now there are 2 more screws that hold the CPU heatsink. Pull this thing. Remove this one screw that holds the fan. Remove this other screw that holds the fan. Disconnect the fan. Oh, this is a bit also not clean. Pull this thing up. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, you can click thumbs up. And if you didn't, you can click thumbs down, obviously. And that's pretty much it. Have a nice day.